Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
That me I tell you Crisis TV, them deaf. Them deaf?
You take all long to send it. You go send me one paper with. Tap it. Buy me good as. Listen to this, honey. If somebody can help somebody help them, why you come on people live? I tell people, pin cash up. I'm not come here beg nothing, you know, I come here and say promotion. Work me I talk about. Cause we have the platform where we can post and people see how we do look the work. Me even say I want me can play some A and Q night. Me never pin no cash up. Me never combo pin no cash up. All if me broke in a state of mind. Me broke in a state of mind. Me broke me never talk about no cash up. Me borrow something from somebody, borrow 1,000 of them lend me can cook something and hold me composure. Me never come about no cash up. Like I tell me say pin cash up. When me pin it, you go combo like say me never da beg nothing. Me come as a promotion time. More promotion. Me can do two go. You gotta tell me say you gotta tell me now say the woman thief the $35. Why would the lady thief 35 blood clot dollar? When if she have time ask her, she go give me. I'm a friend. Go check it, the woman thief for $35 block the page. Cause you can't set me up in nobody cause I'm a fool. That lady is my friend. She have more fit give me more than thief me. I wanna try set up people on the internet. Wanna no blood clot fake page. It's a Batman. That person is a Batman. Batman I do it. You send the receipt. When you look on the receipt, you see request, and you see pay. I know you not see done, I know you not see completed. Fuck you and get that for this blood clot. I don't come here to play games. Me a big woman. Black the dog shit, lie them I tell. One big nasty blood clot black. I mean, ain't no joke.
Junie,
Hmm?
me rub you $30? That the Batman must say?
That no. He must say him send the $30 and you take it. Someone say, oh, the lady for take $30 when you not send it. We don't say nothing. Cause the receipt when listen, the receipt when send come give me, you have to say completed or done.
Yeah.
And that's none of that not there. Don't set me up with people you keep on a type it on the live. Why?
Wait, the man get a call, June. Hang me up for a second. Jamaica call.
Why? Don't do that. Me never come over here, baby. Me come over and say promotion time. The dirty nasty Batman them just want to be seen at all blood clot time. At all time, no want to be seen and not blood clot heard. Yeah. If you see me on my life, I talk. And you say you're gonna send me something. You're the person, pin a cash up. I'm gonna send you something. But pin the one with me I use. You take 385 hours for send it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's see if I can do. So all you have on them the same way. You say I go send it come. Me never beg you come. You come with a joking ceremony. You go get a black. Me never run no joke. Yeah. I know what I not like. And you use people weakness against them all over. I think it cute and it's funny. Because I want in a spot. You can say, don't do it. I never like a person come on somebody live and say, pin your cash up. And when the cash up pin, you not send nothing, and not joke out people and tell people for clown. I want the bottom man them do it. Yeah, me I tell you. Kawa. Then see you come and attack. Then come and see you attack and feel like say, every day you can get up about rate and play. Anyway, moving right along. Cause me done black that John credit. I mean I really want in them the story. The people, we do some promotion. One thing about A and Q later. Down, down, down. We do some promotion. Promotion. We do some promotion. So who interested can make me know?